Hi friends, welcome to Lakshmi Computer's Marathahalli. We are into the sales and service of laptops, desktops, accessories, everything. Mainly we are into the motherboard service, which will be like any motherboard related issues will update you within a 4 or 5 hours maximum. So usually the other people they'll take 2-3 days to update your motherboard problems and all. We update whatever the problem is there within 5 hours. We update with the problems. That is the free of cost. We not charge any service charges. Only we charge for the only repairing costs we will charge it. Other than main thing we have in a refurbished laptops, all like corporate laptops. These are all you can see. We have Lenovo ThinkPad, HP, Dell Latitude. These are all corporate laptops. See example. See you can see this one like i5 is there. It's a Lenovo T480S model. i5 with 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. This is market price usually you'll get for 25,000. It's more than 25,000. We are giving you for offer price 18,000 rupees with a 6-month warranty and 1 year service warranty you will get. That is also it's a non-painted at there's no scratches, dents, nothing will be there. It's all A grade laptop. If you want like we have a option i5, i7. If you want like something newer version, we have a i7 with 11th generation with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. This is with a touch screen you are getting for 30,000 rupees. This new one it costs you around 80 to 90,000 rupees. So like that we have all the laptops. If you are so looking for some bigger screen also we have a laptop like i5, 8th generation, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD. These are all start from 20,000 you will get with the very good warranty service. Everything will be there. Other than we have all kind of accessories you can see here. All laptop adapters, chargers, batteries, mouse. Everything you'll get. We have a upgradation option also with RAM upgrade, SSD upgrade, with all software installation also will do. So any related to the computer thing you can just call this number and we are happy to serve you. Thank you friends.